Now let's talk about interviewing the headache. Headache is an acute headache in a person who does not normally suffer from headaches is usually caused by an invasion of exogenous qi. Wind cold can result in a tight or tense headache, wind heat in a throbbing headache, and wind dampness in a heavy headache. This is because cold is yin and has a contracting nature. Invasions of cold will often create a stagnation in the Taiyang channels in the head. Heat has a yang expansive nature and will cause qi to ascend and expand outwards. This will result in a throbbing sensation. Dampness is very yin and gives an oppressive sensation by blocking and slowing the movement of qi. By asking about where in the head the pain is, you will be able to ascertain which channels are disrupted and possibly what the etiology of the headache may be. A unilateral headache will usually be due to an excess of qi or a stagnation of qi in the gallbladder channel. Typically, this is seen when there is ascending liver yang or liver fire. It can also be seen in liver wind patterns. A stagnation of qi and blood due to physical trauma can also manifest in unilateral headaches. Liver imbalances will often manifest with pain in the temples and pressure behind or in the eyes. A nagging pain behind the eyes is typical when there is a liver blood deficiency. A headache in the vertex of the head is usually a manifestation of a liver imbalance. This is because there is a branch of the liver channel that terminates in the acupuncture point DU20. However, this type of headache can also be due to qi and blood deficiency. From frontal headaches that are located in the forehead are often caused by stomach imbalances, which can both be shu and shi in nature. Phlegm and dampness are also typical causes. A headache in the occiput region is often seen when there's an acute invasion of wind cold. Chronic headaches in this region are sometimes seen when a kidney imbalance manifests in the urinary bladder channel. Chronic headaches in this region will typically be due to stagnation of qi and blood resulting from physical trauma. For example, whiplash injuries or due to stagnation of qi related to liver qi stagnation. Physical traumas can result in blood stagnating in the channel on the head. This will manifest with a headache that is localized in one or more fixed areas. The pain does not move and is sharp and stabbing. The trauma does not have to be recent. The blood stagnation can still manifest many years later. Dull or nagging headaches are usually seen in deficiency conditions. There will be a nagging tiredness in the head. This type of headache is worse when the person is weary and is more likely to occur later in the day or in the evening. In women, it may manifest during or after the menstrual bleeding. This type of headache arises because there's not enough qi or blood to nourish the brain. Shu headaches can be triggered by activity or exertion, but can be relieved with rest. A throbbing headache occurs when too much qi rises to the head. This will usually be ascending liver yang or liver fire. Phlegm dampness can influence in a number of ways. It can block the shen, as well as preventing pure yang qi from rising up to the head. When shen is blocked by phlegm dampness, the person will have difficulty thinking clearly. It will feel as if the head is full of cotton wool or that they're in a bell jar. Phlegm dampness is a shear condition. Example, there's an excess of qi in the head. This means that there can be a throbbing or thumping sensation in the head. Phlegm dampness is yin in nature, and the head can therefore feel very heavy. The person will also feel tired and exhausted, but the headache will often be aggravated by the person lying down. This is because dampness seeps down to the head when the person is lying horizontally. Thank you for your attention.